Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about Promised Neverland Season 2 episode number 1 and I'm not gonna sound that much enthusiastic in this video. The reason being, whenever you finish a series and then the next season drops, like after 2-3 years, the hype is not the same. So it will take 1 or 2 more episodes and then I will be totally invested in the series. But for now, I still enjoyed the episode. So let's just start. And one more thing, I will be covering this series weekly, like every episode. So if you end up enjoying the video and wanna watch more videos regarding like these episode discussion videos moving on, then be sure to subscribe. So yeah, let's start. So we literally start from where we left after the end of season 1, and my memory is not that good, so I have forgotten almost everything. And since it's been 2 years, my memory is already bad, and it's been 2 years, so I don't remember anything. The only things that I remember are the first episode of Promised Neverland and the one scene where Ray was just trying to like burn the house, and then the last episode scene where they were just escaping. That's all I remember. Other than that, I don't remember anything. I don't even remember what exactly happened with Norman. I don't know if he was taken away or what exactly happened with him, and also when did he give them this pen, and I don't remember anything, so forgive me for that. But let's talk about the episode. They were out in the wildland. Of course, they now have to survive on their own. They have some food and water, but of course it's gonna run out, so they have to find a source of water, and they decided let's go to a river. But Ray was like, they're going to be pursuers and that is the first place they're going to look. So if I would have been Ray's place, I would have not been able to think like this clearly, but since like they are geniuses, so makes sense that they are able to figure everything out. And they had some books with them, and also that pen, it kind of has a map and some codes in it with their like locations and stuff. And there was one thing, that one message was in that it was like, if you need any help, come and meet me at this location, and the location was some kind of a code. So I guess they will be heading there, but before they could go there, something happened. They were now being chased by a demon, and they were being, I don't know if you would call it demon. I think so you would also call that thing a demon too. But of course the outside world, they haven't seen any humans so far. So everyone they saw till now were demons. So they were being chased by those demons. Not those, but that one thing. They were being chased, and they decided to go on the their escape strategy was to go in different groups. So that's what they did. And Ray and Emma, they stumble upon a thing where it's like, if you fall in this, you are never coming out. So the Ray's, I think so, plan was to make sure that he baits that thing away and just make sure that that demon or whatever it is ends up falling in that area. I think so that's what his plan was. But yeah, he did do that alone, and as soon as, I think so, he threw the lamp there so that he would bait that thing to go near that area, and they would just fall, that thing would just fall, the demon would just fall in here. But that didn't happen. Somebody just killed that demon, and those were the pursuers from the farms. Though they have like already found their location, and Ray was now alone, and everybody else was in a single group, and they were just waiting for Ray. They were worried for Ray, but Ray of course was here. And Ray also did write some message on the tree, and I couldn't really understand what was written. I just read, there were 3 words written. First word was go. I didn't understood what the second one was, but then the third one was pursuers. So I guess he was kind of telling them go ahead or something. Have pursuers. So I guess that's what he was saying. I didn't understood the final word. I mean the second word. I tried to see it what it is, but I couldn't figure it out. So Ray was now trying to escape. And also, as I was talking about my memory, I even forgot Emma's name. I just remembered Norman and Ray. I forgot Emma's name. So glad that they at least mentioned her name once in this episode. Otherwise I would have to search what her name was. So yeah, Ray was escaping, and that's where someone came and saved him, and that was also a demon. As I told you, they have not found a single human till now. So a demon saved him, and also it looked like it was a girl who came to save their group, Emma's group. But at the end of the episode, we get to know that that person is also a demon. So I don't know, from the face and body wise, it looks like a normal human. She looks like a normal human, but then her feet were demonic or something. So I don't know what the deal is. We don't know anything about the world outside the farm, so I guess it's new for them and also new for us viewers too. So yeah, they were saved by those two people, and at the end we just see Ray and Emma together, and that's where they figure out that these guys are demons, and that's where the episode ends. And also one more thing was they figured out a way to find water in some plant. They had like books with them too, so they were able to figure out that this kind of plant is mentioned in a book that it contains water, and according to the book it is drinkable. So that way they didn't even need to go to the river, so they can just lay low and just survive on the water from here. I guess in terms of like food, they might survive on like fruits and stuff. There might be a lot of stuff that could be like, it's not a real world, so they're gonna be even more more stuff for them to eat besides fruits, I'm pretty much sure. So yeah, that was it. Episode, like as I told you, I don't have much to talk about. It will take 1 or 2 episodes at max for me to completely be invested in this series again, but I'm really excited and happy that season 2 is here. So I will be covering this weekly. This was a really short one. As I told you, I don't have much to say about this episode. I feel like next episode we're gonna get some more details. This was just a starting episode, so it didn't had much to talk about. But yeah, that was it about episode 1. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below, and if by any case you ended up enjoying this video and wanna watch like my thoughts or opinions on the coming episodes, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And that's it about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more, and I'll meet you in the next one.